Hi guys, Currency Games here with another video. Today we're going to be going over our weekly outlook for the week coming, which will be Monday the 12th of December. Coming up to Christmas, we really want to be tapering off expectancies in the market. Big funds are going to start, they're not really putting in size into the market at the moment, so the moves that we will see, especially on the higher time frames, won't be very significant. And as you can see, we're going to start seeing a lot more ranges form on the daily time frame plus, really and truly. So a lot of scalps will have to be done in these market conditions. So we've got to be very careful that we don't get chopped up. And we've got to be very careful that we only take setups that hit our checklist and hit our plan, to ensure that we don't end up taking stupid setups. As I said, we need to be tapering off now. Now is more of a sit back, relax, enjoy the time with your friends, family, whatever. Don't be too worried about what's going on in the markets. If you are interested in buying challenges, go get it, go get a discount on it, providing that you're profitable. Go get the Christmas discount. I know a lot of them will be offering it around this time. Don't start it now, but just get it because it'll be at a bit of a discount now, and wait till like February, start it around then. But yeah, it's not really worth putting too much size into these markets coming up to Christmas, man. Like it's just not the most volatile time of the year, shall I say. Nevertheless, there's still going to be moves. Don't get twisted. I'm not saying there's not going to be many. There's not going to be moves, but just don't expect to catch something every week or every day. Like, it's just not worth it. Do you know what I mean? Anyway, going into price, as you can see on the daily time frame on Eurgbp, again we're stuck in a range here. Again, we have this weekly gap down here we've been eyeing up for time, and we also have a daily low here, and we also have an order block here on the daily time frame, the H12. You see we have a nice break of a low here, and we're taking out a low here, so we can probably see more possible bearish prices, possibly looking at the sell side liquidity resting down here at these two lows here. Okay, in regards to the H4, it will be interesting to see how this fair value gap holds, and we also have created a high in there, so it's something that we should be noticing. And we can also see the daily order block is within the H4 fair value gap, so it'll be interesting to see how the H1 reacts when we do reach these areas up here. Okay, alright, so I'd just be interested in this fair value gap here, possibly to go short down into the H12 levels down here. Okay, and as you can see, I've kind of, if you look at it like this as well, we have come into the premium of the H1 range, and we are breaking down now, so sales are looking quite nice, to be fair. In regards to Eurusd, again we're in a range here. Still haven't reached a discount of the main daily range here, because we still have this daily order block that's still open. H12 still have a nice order block here that we can attack, and in all fairness, we are also at a H12 order block right here as well. So I'm worth marking out on the H4. That is also H4 discount as well between this low and this high, and we should also be wary about how we could possibly push off this H12 level as well. USD, I do want to see like a daily level get played first before I do anything, because we're so close to two daily levels here. I want to see how we react at this high or how we react at this low, to be honest, or even at this order block, so I can get more insight as to what we're actually doing. Nothing high probable for me at the moment, but again, as I said, these are the times we have to sit back, watch what the market's actually doing, rather than actually just execute. It's not worth it, you know what I mean? So not really much bias on USD at the moment. Looking at the weekly, probably still looking quite. It's not really looking like it's going to reverse, and that's why I said at this point here when we came to this block here on the weekly a few weeks ago, I didn't say it's a reversal point. I said it's a point we could possibly retrace lower. I would have expected rather more of a deep retracement, but hey ho, it's week time for a minute. Just one of those things. But as I said, guys, like, don't expect too much in the market at these points in time, because you're just going to be expecting to trade every week and every day, and it's not really worthwhile, especially coming up to Christmas. ICT doesn't even trade these times. He doesn't even trade the whole of January, doesn't trade the whole of December. In fact, he starts tapering off coming up to October, November times. And for a man with 30 years experience saying that, something we should take heed in and actually respect, because I've seen it happen year on year out where price action just it doesn't, it's very consolidated. It stays very much in consolidation. Let me show you last year's price action for December to January. Look at this. We were just in this massive consolidation on a daily time frame until January times came and we actually had a move of significance, but before that we were just consolidating. And